In today's video, I'm going to teach you a guide how to download your Replit app as a zip file. By the end, you'll know exactly how to grab your entire project from Replit and save it to your computer for backup, sharing, or moving to another environment. First, open your web browser and head to the Replit website. If you aren't already signed in, go ahead and log in so you can access your projects. Once you're on your Replit homepage, you'll see your recent work and any folders you've organized. This is your dashboard and it's where you'll start. Next, choose the project you want to download. Replit calls each project a repl. Click the one you want from your list. If you have a lot of projects, you can use the search bar at the top of the dashboard to find it quickly. After you click it, Replit will open the editor for that specific project. Inside the editor, look to the left side of the screen. If your side panel is collapsed, click the small expand icon to open it up. This is the panel that holds your tools and, most importantly for this task, your files. Expanding it gives you a full view so you don't miss the option we're about to use. If your screen is zoomed in and you can't see the icon, zoom out slightly until the sidebar is visible. With the panel expanded, click on the Files section to bring up the file tree. This is the list of every folder and file in your project, exactly as it lives on Replit. It's helpful to take a quick glance here to ensure everything you expect is present and organized, especially if you've recently added or renamed files. Now, look for the 3 vertical dots at the top of the Files area. This is the menu for file actions related to the entire project, not just a single file. Be careful not to click the dots that appear next to individual files. You want the menu for the overall file tree so you can download everything at once. From that menu, choose Download as Zip. Replit will package your project into a single compressed zip file. Depending on the size of your project and your internet connection, this might take a moment. Your browser will then save the zip to your default downloads folder. Once it finishes, you can open or extract it on your computer to view the source code, move it into another editor, or store it as a backup. If you plan to use it elsewhere, keep the folder structure as is so your project runs smoothly. That's all for today.